dignitaries, esteemed guests, participants, and all our wonderful attendees. On behalf of Lakshmi Bai National Institute of Physical Education, Gwalior, and on my personal behalf, I, Raina Devi, extend a warm and respectful welcome to all of you present in the most awaited international seminar on sports, artificial intelligence, and the evolution of technology in modern sports. To begin this exciting journey of knowledge, let us first take a moment to reflect upon the power of innovation and technology in shaping the future of sports. As Albert Einstein once said, the true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate the intersection of imagination and technology in the realm of sports. To mark the beginning of this enlightening seminar, let us converse with the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, the dime embodied of wisdom, knowledge, and learning. Just as lamp removes darkness, knowledge dispels ignorance and lights the way to progress. I request the esteemed dignitaries to kindly come to the dais for the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. I also request everyone to please rise for Saraswati Vandana, followed by the Institute song.
देन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणा गरुडन्दमण्डितकरा या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती शेषजाड्यापहा।
शक्तिनगर के सैनानी हम हंसते गाते आए, नई जवानी जिंदा
के इंसानों में मानवता के आह्वानों को नए जवानों रे मानवता के आह्वानों को हमने शीश चढ़ाए लो शक्ति नगर के सेनानी लो हंसते गाते आए शक्ति नगर के